In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change ring announcer in WWE 2K24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are various different ring announcers in WWE 2K24. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize the one that you have on your match. You will be able to browse through all of them, and they should all be available by default. So all that you have to do is go ahead and set up a match. So from the home screen of the game, just go into the standard play option. When you go into play, you will be able to customize your match, so you can choose the match type, the match rules, and the arena. These options don't necessarily matter to change the announcer, so just pick whatever you prefer. Any of the matches will allow you to change the ring announcer. So whenever you get into this screen, if you look at the bottom left, you will be able to find match options. This is where you will be able to change the ring announcer alongside other things related to this specific match. So when you go inside of match options, you will be able to find ring announcer as the third option available. Of course, you can customize other things related to this, but for this video, I'm going to be focusing on ring announcer. And like I mentioned, you can find it here. All that you have to do now is select this option and then use the left and right buttons to change between them. You will see the current announcer listed here, and you can choose whichever one you prefer. Once you select an announcer, just make sure to choose accept. Make sure you don't go back instead of accepting, and whenever you choose this option here to accept, the announcer will be saved. Like I said, you can customize this as many times as you wish. You can try out different announcers, and they should all be available by default for you. So all that you have to do is go over into the match options, and you will be able to find the option to customize the match announcer available. There are plenty of options to choose from. I hope I was able to help you on how to change ring announcer in WWE 2K24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.